Evening. How are you today?
Yeah,
All right, so
good.
let me share first my screen and sama niyo. All right, if is my screen is visible, Atomians?
Yes,
Perfect. All right, so without further ado, uh, may I know, are you ready, Atomians? All
yes,
right, so yeah, my topic for today is Atomic Global Business Absolute Quality and Absolute Price. First, okay, before we uh, proceed to the topic, I have question for everyone and also for the newcomers. May I know who is Atomy? Do you have any idea who is Atomy? What is Atomy? What's Atomy do right now? So on my topic today, I will introduce to you what is Atomy, who is Atomy, and how Atomy works. So my topic for today is the company introduction for Atomic Global presentation. Okay, so I hope everyone gonna listen because this is important for all of us if we need to really understand who is Atomy and how Atomy works right now. Okay, first we need to know who is the founder and the CEO of this business. Yeah, the founder is Mr. Hangin Park from Korea, and it's founded on June 1, 2009. Yeah, its headquarters in the Republic of Korea as of December 2023. And yeah, this is the Mr. Park Hangil. This is the story of his life. So in 1992, he entered the network marketing in industry in Australia. Sorry, sorry, my screen is saksiman niyo. Quick seconds. All right. So in 1992, he entered in marketing in Australia, and 1995, he achieved the first award in top network marketing in position, and also in 1999, he again achieved a top award for network marketing in first president of network marketing Leaders Club in 2009. He founded the imkorea.com. In 2013, she became the vice president of the Korean Society of Food, Science and Nutrition. And 2016, he became the vice president of Korea MLM Association and currently right now the CEO of Atomy Company. So this is the founder of Atomy, the Mr. Park Hangil. So as you see, he has many awards in his life. All right. Next one. Okay. About Atomy. Atomy is a global network marketing with direct selling operations in 27 regions worldwide. Okay, so wherever you are right now, uh, wherever you are in Europe, if you are in Asia, there is Atomy, including Korea. And also, it was established, Atomy has grown rapidly to consumer-centered network marketing that strictly upholds with Mr. CEO Park Hangil Card with the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. So yeah, Atom is a global network marketing. So wherever you are, you can access this Atomy. And also take note later on we will tackle what is the principle of Atomy regarding for the absolute quality and absolute price. And also, yeah, Atomy right now have a 16 million members worldwide, has established of a total of 27 branches. Yeah, as I said, including America, Asia, Europe, and headquarters in Korea. So as I said, wherever you are right now, there is a Atomy in your area. So it has about 16 million, I think 16 millions onwards as of today. And yeah, sorry, just a quick second. Just a quick seconds. All right. Thank you for that. Thank you for patiently waiting. Yeah, all right. So continue for our topic. Yeah, Atomic business objectives is number one is the customer success. Yeah. So that is one of the objective of the Atomy right now is all of his consumer or customer is to become successful someday. So I think there is no company right now that wants his customer to become successful someday. And also, yeah, Atomy products. So right now, the Atomy products have 590 products and counting as of today, including the number one Atomy Himuhim. And also it has health functional food. Yeah, it has basic cosmetic sets like Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare, Atomy Fame Skincare, Color Cosmetics, Hair Body Living, Food Fashions, Home Decor, and more. So in Atomy, you can buy your daily needs like toothbrush, shampoo, lotion. So my advice to you is rather than buy it on the grocery store, why did you try the Atomy products? Because I know I know Atomy has uh, so many products right now. And second one, yeah, this one. Atomy offers good and affordable products. Yes, because yeah, I know um in this today there's no company that offers a good products and an affordable price. And take note, if you use the Atomy, you will gain an income. And but later on, we will talk it about that. But right now, as I said, Atomy offers good and affordable products. So I know if you will try the product Atomy, try it one time, you will enjoy it and you will see the result after you try the product of Atomy. And also, yeah, so this is the sum of the Atomy products. So as you see on the screen, the toothpaste, it's one of my favorite. The Atomy Omega 3, also Copper Arabica, Atomy Evening Skincare Set, um, yeah, Atomy lotion. So yeah, it has so many products right now in Atomy. So if you are new on this one, and if you are very what do you call this one? Do you want to explore the Atomy? So you will just see this like this one. Yeah, I have you see my screen? Yeah. Atomy Omega 3, Atomy body lotion, and the Arabica. Yeah. So there is so many products in Atomy. So you can visit the Atomy website. So you can see all of the products. As I said, as of today, 590 plus products that available worldwide. So you can try it on your own. And second, yeah. So why we need? to choose Atomy products is because, as I said, absolute quality and absolute price. So this is the concept of the Atomy because when you use this product, you will see, as I said, you will see the improvement because as an example on myself, number one, I am a coffee lover because of my type of work. And when I try Atomy, there is one thing that I experience that um, when I drink every day, this one, the Atomy Cafe Arabica, there is no bad effect on myself, and even I drink it, I feel sleepy, and because there is a rumor that if you drink coffee, you will not get you will get hyper, you will get more energy. But I like right now the effect on my body when I using the Atomic of Africa Arabica and also other brand like Himuhim. Also, this is the top seller right now for if you don't, I hope you see my screen. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, this one, the Atomi Himuhim. So this is also the one of my dietary supplement right now is the Himuhim Herbal Extract, and so many products, right now. So yeah, so this is the business concept of Atomy is to they offer absolute quality but in affordable price, so everyone can afford it. Second one, also take note on this one. Atomy also a culture of sharing. Yes, I am witness on this one because as I remember last year, there is a disaster here in the Philippines or typhoon, and I know Atomy sent some help here in the Philippines. So I'm happy because the business that I'm joined is they're not business word, but they are sharing to other people, and that's the culture of sharing in Atomy. So whenever you decide right now, if you want to join the Atomy, don't don't worry because everyone will help you because that's the culture of Atomy right now is sharing everyone. Also, yeah. Also, well, the question why we need to choose Atomy. So as I said, it is an online shopping platform. So if you are aware on the Amazon, eBay, so it is like that. So you can use your phone right now and type Atomy on Google, and you will see this as I said, the online shopping platform. So just if you have time later on, you will just visit the Atomy website. So you will see all of the products that as I said on this meeting. So why not you take note? Sorry, why not try at least one products, and you will see a result after that. So yeah, as I said, this is online shopping platform. So whenever you are, you can access the Atomy. Okay. Second one, why we need choose Atomy because it can have it to third generation. Yes, it's true because Atomy can also be inherit in our third generation. Like some scenario in Korea, I think the Royal Master, um, sorry, Imperial Master, died. Her daughter inherit her position. So that's the um advantages of or beauty of if you're using Atomy because it will inherit your daughter, your son, or even your granddaughter or grandchild. So that's the advantages if we are choosing Atomy. So if you are right now, maybe it's the time to join the Atomy. Yeah. Also for this one, as I said, as Atomy also a income. Number one, equal and fair compensation plan. You can make money in Atomy by earning PB. Yes. So as I said, you will make money while using the Atomy products. So as you see on the picture, you are the agent and you have 30K, sorry, 30K, 300K PB or the point value, and you have two legs on the left and right, and it has 300K PB, and other side is 300K PB. That's the time you will earn money. So it's good because you enjoy the products, and the other side you will earn income. Yeah. So okay, here's the the picture sample. Okay, sample for this one. The product is the toothpaste, Atomy toothpaste propolis. So when you see the price, sorry, this is the Philippine peso, Philippine peso price. So the total is 830 peso. And when you see the PB under the member price, it has 3,500 PB. So yeah, you use the product and you earn point value. So you will get two benefits when you're using the product. You will get the product, you will enjoy it, and you will get the PB, the point value. And also take note, Atomians, and also for the newcomers that eh, uh, all of the Atomy products is more than of 1,000 PB. So they are not offering 100 PBs. They are offering 1,000 PB, all of their products. So as you said, as you see, it contains of 3,500 PB, and it, it's good right now. Um, Also, yeah, unique binary system. So we need so take note on this one. So when you see on the example number one, on the other system, there is a limit on how many levels you can gain downline from PV. Like for example, on the level one up to level six, and after that, it will receives only a fractions or a small amount. So when you see the picture, yeah, from the first level up to sixth level, they will receive a PB. But after that, they will receive it, but a little. But when you see on the other side, on the Atomy side, level 1 and 2 unlimited. What do you mean unlimited? Yes, is in Atomy there is a unlimited. Even though you are in the bottom on your line, you will receive a PB. Number one, I am able to receive all purchase PB as your group PB. Because the PB is point value, it has two components. Number one is the point value, and second one is the group PB. So this topic right now, the picture is the group PB. So both on left and right down lines, and no matter where PB comes from. So whenever you are, even you are in the bottom, you will receive all the PB because that is a group PB. So take note on this one, and also this is very important. So you will understand, even if you are in the bottom of your line, you will receive any PB on your line. This one, this is the unlimited level what I'm talking about. So example, you are on the top, and you have a friends, like for example, at the bottom in Indonesia, yeah. On the left side, you have a friends Indonesia. Uh, as I said, unlimited level, you will gain a PB whenever you are. Even you are at the bottom, you are at the middle, you will receive a PB because the Atomy business offers a unlimited level. So when you see the picture, it has there are so many members in Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Korea. So yeah, when you decide to become a member in Atomy, you can invite uh, all of your friends whenever they are. Not only on your area, not only on your country, but you can invite if you have friends outside of your country, like this picture. And Also, why we need to join Atomy? That's the question. That's the third question. Because Atomy offers number one, no registration fee. Yes, Atomy offers if you registered the Atomy no registration fee. It has no starter package. So they will not give you a package for the starter that you need to sell. Third, there is no website usage fee. So if you are using their website, it's free. And also the last one, the good thing is they no sales obligation. So they will not obligate you to sales to use the Atomy, but you can use it. So take note for all of the newcomers that the Atomy offers again no registration fee, no starter package, no website usage fee, and the last is no sales obligation. So join now. All right. Okay, so I use the user word. So this is the acronym that number one is use Atomy products regularly. So as I said, you can use Atomy products regularly, step by step, a little, by using your change your household or like you can use our toothpaste, shampoo, lotion, and second one is share with other people about Atomy. After you use the products, that's the time you share with your friends, family, loved ones. What do you feel or what you experience when you're using the Atomy products? And the third is encourage everyone to embrace change. Yes, because here in Atomy, there is a success. So we need to embrace change on yourself. And last, the R is repeat the process. Repeat the process all the time. Use the products Atomy, and after that, you share it other people and encourage them also to use the product and embrace change in their life. So user. And so yeah, this is the how to join Atomy. So please provide this information, your name, middle name, complete address, also date of birth, age, gender, occupation, contact number. Also your email address, region, zip code, and TIN. Yeah, send the photo of your TIN and other government valid ID because yeah, TIN, it's because when you experience your first salary in Atomy, there is a tax. So that's why we need to provide a TIN ID because Atomy is a legit company. They will give you a salary and also it has a tax. So for the newcomers, you can chat down this one so you will know what is the information that you need to provide to your sponsors. All right. Thank you, everyone, for all Atomians and for all the newcomers today. And I hope you're happy and enlightened. What is Atomy and who is Atomy and how Atomy works. And I hope this is not the last time that we will see you on this Zoom meeting. And I hope we will see you on the top. So thank you everyone, Atomians, and have a good day and bye for now.